What's up, guys, and welcome back to Mina and Alicia. It's Mina here, and it is currently super early in the morning. It's like, I guess it's not super early for some people, but it's like 8:54. I guess it's not super early, but it's early for me, okay? And I am currently making myself some coffee, and I am going to show you guys how I spice my coffee up.
Bruh.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you took some tips from it, and I hope you actually try these coffee ingredients, because honestly they're really good. Like, I'm not just saying that, and I don't like nasty coffee, so I hope you guys actually try it. Also, if you did like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a video. Yeah, so we got more content coming for you guys, but I hope you guys have a good morning and enjoy your coffee. Peace out, guys.